Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Iris Tabacoldi, 32 years old, married with one daughter. She is 11 years old.
Are you a high school graduate or a college graduate?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, can you please tell me about your working experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper?
I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines with a couple with two years old and 4 years old kids, ma'am.
Okay, for how many years?
4 years, ma'am.
You work for only one employer for 4 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do there?
I do cooking, laundering, washing clothes. But my main duty is to take care of the children, ma'am.
Okay, if you get tired, who will take care of your child?
My husband and my mother, ma'am.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up at 5 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to the market?
2 times a week, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
I'm a hardworking mother and a disciplinarian one, ma'am.
Okay. In Hong Kong, the kids there are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will distract them by doing educational, like drawing.
Okay. In your previous work, how did you manage the children and what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I will distract them by doing the drawing or anything that may distract them from.
Okay. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient in understanding to them, ma'am.
Okay. How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you a set of rules?
They gave me set of rules, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid with cats and dogs?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give an example.
Baba, black sheep, have you very full? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for the hay, and 1 for the little boy that lives down the lane.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible. I will do my best to do and serve you. Thank you, ma'am and sir.